Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today, we have our helper, James, and he's going to help us unbox another Ryan's World toy. James, what toy do we have today?
Today we have the Ryan's Slipsterzz. It's basically slime confetti, but it's bigger. Let's open it up. Okay. It's in its own container. It's kind of hard to pull out. Here we have Peck at the bottom. We have a regular Ryan. I think it's playing football. And a regular Ryan just up top with the thumbs up. So let's go up. And we have a regular Red Titan on a skateboard. So we're going up here again. And that is all of the characters. This is very fun. Okay.
It's so slippery. Oh wow, that is so slippery. Oh look, what kind of shape is that?
It looks like a rainbow.
Looks like there's confetti inside. Oh wow, this is a fun toy. It's slippery, it has characters on it, and it also has some confetti inside. So the confetti gives it some kind of glitter. That is so cool. Thank you very much, Alpha James. Today's Anthony Robbins quote, children, is no matter how many mistakes you make or how slow you progress, you are still way ahead of everyone who isn't trying. What that means, children, is it's better to do something and make a mistake and learn from it than not to try at all. So in school, at home, and wherever you go, always try to do your best. Make many mistakes, make slow progress, but always keep trying. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel. It's not impossible, 'cause I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible, 'cause I'm unstoppable. Thanks for coming today. See you next time. Bye.